Hi guys,
Wait, may konti ka.
be careful to the knife and scissors.
Good.
Before, if you crack the scissor with your arm's gonna bleed up.
Tama. You're right.
You don't wanna bleed
Do
your
not
hand.
use scissors to 3 years old. It's bad. Ay, may candy ka.
Guys, I'm not 3 years old. I'm 9 years old now.
What's this? Ba't nandito yun? Di ba nilo? Ito ba tayo?
Ano ba yun?
Hindi ko alam. Lagyan lang dito sa... Hindi natin alam eh.
Guys, look at this. What did I get here? It's a random. Guys, look what did I get. It's a random.
Oh, puti. Pag kinip ko. Puti lang siya, no? Puti lang.
Ang ganda na nakuha ko, guys. Nakuha ko to.
Hindi maalas ka ako. I'm always unlucky.
Ito nakuha ko. Oh, itong blueberry. Oy, okay, sis now. Become candy.
Ang hahang. Namalas ko. Ay, nakita ngayon.
Do this. Do your tongue to make a shape.
Hindi ako nang gaganon ha. Hindi ako nang gaganon. Ginagawa ka ng shape na.
Hindi ako makagawa ng shape sa dila ko.
Shape ng ano, ng may hiwa sa dila. Shape. Ito shape. Pero, I'm not doing this. No.
Guys, if there's a bad kid, don't let him do this because it's bad. I got a great one! Again.
Wait lang. I'm gonna get tissues.
Do you want to know me? You want to know me?
Tissue.
Guys, look at this. Wait lang.
It's almost done. Yuck, baby. Extra sour flavor. Oh, this black. Please do not be spicy. Please do not be spicy. I am Carnage. I am Batman. I am Banana.
Superman.
Two left. It's only two left.
Guys,
Two.
guys, do you have a kid? I will tell a question. What is 4x 7? 4x 7.
4 times 7. 28.
Guys, tell it in the comments, is right or no.
I am right. Remember. Challenge done. Kailangan nothing. We need to do this candy challenge. It's a bunch of tricks. There could be a spicy, sour, sweet.
You know this toilet paper?
It's a toilet, normal toilet. No, not. Normal tissue, not normal toilet. No, no. Normal tissue paper, not normal toilet paper.
Wait guys, wait. Bye-bye. I'll go back. He CJ's left there. I'm a basketball player. Triple! Whoa! My triple is that.
Ah,
He's going. Don't do anything in your house. Just listen to your mom.
we are listeners. We make lessons. Yuck. But true. Listen to your mom and dad. Okay. Now let's go back to eating. Comment down below what should we eat next. Should we eat something gummy? Or biscuits? Or drinks?
O di kaya, puro chocolate.
Or full of chocolates. But we need to toothbrush.
Guys, if you eat a candy, may kuya kayo. If you eat a candy, brush your teeth after you eat. Because if you not brush your teeth is gonna hurt and your teeth is gonna broke. Look, my teeth broke. You don't want to happen. I'm breaking another tooth.
Look guys, I have an eye.
Guys,
Look. Aleha. They say, can you hold on? Yes. It is a bunch of tricky candies.
guys, don't try it.